Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a quick video on how I wax my eyebrows and what products I use during the waxing process. As you can see here, I'm using Gigi's Pre-Hun to cleanse my skin before I start waxing. The Pre-Hun is specifically formulated to cleanse the skin of makeup, deodorant, and body oil. Okay, so here I'm brushing my eyebrow hairs upwards just to make sure no hairs are in the way of the waxing area. This is a cuticle pusher that I actually got from Amazon. I really like it because it's small enough to fit in the contour of my eyebrow, so I won't overwax hairs and pull out unnecessary hairs. So now I'm about to take a small non-woven cloth wax strip and pull those hairs out. Now it's time to go back in for touch-ups. These are my favorite tweezers from shopmissa.com. Everything on that website is only $1. Here I'm tweezing those stray hairs that did not get waxed. Now I'm taking rubbing alcohol to clean the area so I won't get any ingrown hairs or hair bumps. So now I'm taking the Gigi Wax Wax Remover that's enriched with cooling aloe vera gel. The numerous times I've used this, I did not experience any type of cooling effect, although I wish I did, but it's still a great product to use. After I wax my eyebrows, I like to go in and trim them. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. The products that I use in this video will be listed in the description box below.